I'm delighted to share with you that our Santa's workshop is open and we have over 200 students that are now doing introductory woodwork as an elective. This has come about because of our student voice, which we believe is really important. So the girls really desired woodwork as an elective and now that's happened. We believe this is going to enable our girls to really develop a range of skills which include courage, having a go at new skills that they're not familiar with, and showing persistence when things are challenging. We also hope that the girls will learn some great life skills that they're going to be able to take with them into the future. We also believe that this is going to make a difference in our world if we can either donate the goods that they make or sell them and provide funds for those in need. We can't wait to see where Santa's workshop goes for the future.
I chose woodwork as an elective because I thought it was something very out of the box, and not only because it was new in the curriculum. I also wanted to do it because I want to be an engineer when I'm older, and I knew this would help me when I'm older and it would just give me the tools I needed.
I think that some of the basic skills I'm learning in woodwork are going to come in handy throughout my whole life, as knowing how to saw and drill is something I think everyone should know. And I also think that girls should give it a go because you will gain lifelong knowledge.
I have loved doing woodwork as an elective because what I've been making doesn't look like an amateur Year 8's project. It looks really perfect, like even machine made.
I've shown resilience in woodwork by always trying my hardest, even when I'm finding something difficult. For example, a certain cut off my pencil pot was not very straight, so I tried again and it was much better afterwards.